Raman from BrandReact, showing you the small business version of our software, which is suitable for one user at a time. What does this software do? Basically, it is social media listening software or monitoring software, as some companies call it. And it listens on the web to what is said about your brand and lets you react to it. That basically is what this software was designed for. So you can use this for companies that have a lot of customers, and those customers are talking to them through social media and in blogs. These companies want to know what is said about them so that they can engage in conversation with their customers and potential customers. Let me tell you what you see here on the screen. This is the main screen where you can see we are in the inbox. The inbox contains all the items that we have collected based on a maximum of 3 topics that you can enter yourself. In this case, we are using spring, winter, and zomer. The topics are filled from the web, and on the web we see that there's a lot of things said about, in this case, winter. Winter is highlighted, that's why we are just showing you all the items for winter. We have under settings the possibility to change the topics there, and you can see on the dashboard how many topics, how many items per topic have actually come in. Now the colored numbers that you see in front here are in fact the sentiment around these topics. You see that the topic of winter was mentioned 38 times in the last hour, and the sentiment was pretty neutral, a 6. We can look at our inbox, and the thing that stands out immediately is that we have an item here in Japanese. So we can click on the item and it'll come up in a separate screen where we can actually link to the item by clicking on it. We can actually see where the item came from. In this case, it is a tweet. So the tweet looks like this, and it was tweeted by, this person. But we would like to know what it says, so we'll just translate this item quickly into English, and you see that it's actually about picking strawberries, which is kind of interesting. We might want to retweet this item, but that won't be very useful since it is not in English and most of our followers are in English. But maybe we want to email this item to a friend that likes strawberries, and we can say, okay, dear friend, this is about strawberry. So now we have emailed the item to our friend. We can make a comment here and say, okay, a reminder for ourselves. And we could give ourselves a task. And that task would be basically just to ourselves, follow up.